Nails are smooth fastening devices that have high shear strength, meaning it can withstand sideways force well. A great use of nails would be for hanging pictures. Because nails are smooth, the best way to fasten them is with a hammer. Screws are threaded fastening devices which are high in tensile strength, meaning it can withstand being pulled apart well. A great use of screws would be attaching a cabinet to a wall. Because screws are threaded, the best way to fasten them is with a screwdriver. There are two types of screws: a Phillips head, which is a cross-shaped indentation on the head of the screw, and a slotted head, which is just a singular line going across the top of the screw. If you want to tighten a Phillips head screw, you should use a Phillips head screwdriver. Likewise, if you want to tighten a slotted screw, you should use a flathead screwdriver. Bolts can either be partially or fully threaded. Partially threaded bolts are higher in shear strength, while fully threaded bolts are higher in tensile strength. Because bolts have a flat end, they are tightened with nuts. This is why nuts and bolts are typically grouped together. Sockets are not fasteners themselves, but can be attached to the end of ratchets to tighten fasteners. One example would be using a socket and ratchet to tighten the lug nuts on your tires. While other fasteners exist, nails, screws, and bolts should be enough to handle most personal tasks. If you would like to learn more basic things you should know, subscribe and hit the bell.